Imagine your Google Form submissions instantly appearing in a perfectly organized Notion database. Without you lifting a finger, that's exactly what we're building today. First, let's get your Google Form ready. Make sure you've designed your form with clear questions that correspond to the information you want to capture. Think about the data points you'll need to transfer to Notion. This could be contact information, project details, feedback, or anything else you're collecting. Once you have some responses, navigate to the Responses tab within your Google Form. You'll want to ensure you have at least one submission for testing purposes. Later, this ensures Zapier has data to work with when we set up the connection. Now, head over to Zapier if you don't have an account. Sign up, it's free to get started. Click on the Create Zap button to begin building our automation. In the Trigger step, search for and select Google Forms as your app for the trigger event. Choose New Response in Spreadsheet. This tells Zapier to listen for new submissions from your form. You'll then be prompted to connect your Google account. Authorize Zapier to access your Google Forms after connecting. Select the specific Google form you want to pull data from out of the drop-down menu. Zapier will then fetch a sample submission from your form. This is crucial to verify the connection and see the exact data fields available to us. Review this sample data to ensure it looks correct. Next, in the Action step, search for and select Notion as the app for the action event. Choose Create Database Item. This is where we tell Zapier to add a new entry to your Notion database. Similar to Google Forms, connect your Notion account if you haven't already. Then choose the specific Notion workspace and the database where you want your form responses to land. Make sure this database is structured with properties that match your form questions. This is the magic step, mapping your data. You'll see your Notion database properties on the left and the fields from your Google Form submission sample on the right. Click into each Notion property and select the corresponding Google Form field from the dropdown. This tells Zapier exactly which piece of information goes where. Once you've mapped all your relevant fields, click Test and Continue to send a test entry to your Notion database. This is your final chance to correct any mapping errors before activating the Zap. And there you have it, a brand new entry created automatically in your Notion database, perfectly organized and ready for you to review. Make sure to turn your Zap on so it's always running. Now your Google Form data flows seamlessly into Notion, saving you time and keeping your projects on track. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips.